What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be switching from controller to PC, and these three mates, Shaze, Shaz the Slayer and Dariro and G will be carrying us. Come, let's go beat the
Aryan's PC is good.
Daryl won't be scared of people.
Where should we go?
I'm going authority. I need 50 people.
I'm getting vexed by my dad.
And then I'll come
PP authority.
authority.
Authority. It's not authority. It's authority.
Authority. I got authority.
I'm going to school here.
Authority. Yeah, I'm going to Queen Hit that.
Yeah, I need to complete a challenge. I'm not complete.
Okay.
There's no job in authority.
Authority.
I'll try landing on
Bro,
a
my
throne.
ping is 200.
Fashion. What is the English fashion?
I'm not landing for.
I'm not able to. Oh my god, I'm lagging hard. I have 500 ping, guys.
I'm dead.
I have damn hyper. Okay, now my ping is reduced, but Shaze, I'll help you. I have a screen there.
Fashion. Who are you doing to?
A henchman.
Where is the damn henchman?
I'm cranking for these bots.
Rajim, come to the top of the map now.
I'm getting lasered.
Top of the what?
Top of the map.
Trap him.
I'm dead. I'm good.
Shaze, I got the guy next to me.
Where is the
I got the guy who shot me.
I need to kill the bot. Please don't kill the bot. Please.
I did not kill anyone. I just knocked them.
No, I'm talking to Pratik.
Oh yeah.
You
Wait, I
want
need
my
to go.
what?
No, I'll kill the bot.
Bro, I'm 2 XP. I have no clue how much over.
I hated all of. I
Oh, that actually
That's why you
counts.
survived.
Aaron, you have drone. You get all the drones. My bot will take care by the time I leave.
Wait, where is that?
That's a mini.
Hey, I need good ramble shield.
Wait, that's mine. I got it. Oh, I got a scar.
Oh, man.
I got a scar.
Give me
You
Groot 2
want
boy.
it or no?
It's a Groot 2
Damn
boy.
hyping. I'm damn hyping.
I got the apples.
I have 700 ping, guys.
I want a Groot 2 boy. No, I have pillows. I got.
But surface. I got fire.
Well, I have more health than that.
Can I have some minis or something?
Yeah, you joined my big pot, Shashwat.
You have my muscles, okay?
Can I have some pot or something?
I gave you mini
You
also.
don't get any heals. Aryan, you don't have any heals.
No, I don't have any. I have bandages. That's it.
You have crash pads at least.
No. I'm running on damn hyping.
Just suck it here. Where's the campfire? Pratim, you have heals, right? Heals.
What's my ping
Yeah.
so high?
I have 2 chilies. You can get 10 health.
Can I get, like, I'm 2 HP. Pratim, what do you have? My kit.
Medkit.
I have 5 bandages. You wanted it?
From that time I'm asking, it's like I don't have any kit. Get any heals. Aryan, you don't have any heals.
No, I don't have any. I have bandages. That's it. I told I don't have any
I swear.
white heals. I mean, I don't have any blue heals.
Pratim.
God damn, bro. They should have reduced just 400.
Ma, boogie bomb. Ma.
Oh, I got a pro.
Fine, I'll give you. Take.
Now take it.
I have a pro fishing.
Pratim will like boogie bomb. I'll like fight take.
You can keep stocking this shit.
Pratim and Shaswat, if you find a stress shotgun, give it to me or Aryan, someone.
If you find,
What is
Shotgun.
I can hear a team.
It's
there was
from
a
Doom.
green
I
mark
can
over
hear
there.
From Doom. Don't shoot Aryan. Don't do the mistake like last
I
time.
get it. There is.
You know what? Like last time, okay, we were salty. I said don't shoot at this number. Like call trooper.
And then those people
We just got destroyed.
are finally caught. Oh,
They landed on us. It's a solo. Oh my god, he just 200 pumped me. Bro, I cracked him.
I didn't see him.
I hit him for 99. I hit him for 99. It's a solo. Gang on him.
Finally found a shot.
Yes. He has a mythic. Someone revive. Aryan revive.
I'm coming to you.
Edit down.
Wait, come down.
He's on me.
Nice. Aryan, revive maro.
Nice, Pradeep.
Aryan, revive.
Rashford just joined. Okay, I got joined.
Can I get the scar? I need the scar.
Gold pump got joined. Purple, sorry, gold scar got joined.
No, I need the scar.
I killed him.
Lord. Can I get a shotgun, please?
I just
You
got
guys
the
have, let's have, where's the shotgun?
Yes.
Three pump le lo.
Yeah, he's shiny. Oh,
No,
there's a player,
Pratim, my
there's a
team,
player,
Pratim, my
player,
team.
player.
Oh, his team. His teammate.
Can I kill him? I'll tell him.
Even I need aliens.
Come on, video, wait. Where is he?
You know what?
Oh, I can hear him. Where is he? God damn it.
Let's jam on him.
Oh, he's here. I see
He's
my
inside the house.
Wait,
Inside the
I
house.
tagged him like 18, I think. Like, I don't know. I did not see properly. Wait, I think he's in chat.
Where's this person?
Oh, dude, he killed me. Got him. Guys, come here. It's not a bot. He's killing me. Let's kill him. He's damn low. He's not low. Never tag him. Oh, he's damn low. Shah should crack him. 110. Now get my reboot.
Of course. Pratim kills him. Nice one, dude.
Silver surfer.
I got it.
I'd never had some. I think Sash would lag out. He's running into one. Sash would lagged out, guys. Oh, I lagged out. Guys, I think I am lagging hard. I'm lagging damn hard. What happened?
Where we rebooting? You big
I
fun.
got reboot.
For me, he was like literally walking towards, and my peak was 80 feet or something. And it's not, you guys are lagging so hard. Like I was lagging so
So I want to reboot. I got it. Punch card. I just had to pump it.
Aryan, there's AR and charge, I think.
Aryan, you want charger pump?
Come.
It's green charger pump. Fine.
AR, Aryan, big pot.
Come in, mate, come in.
Aryan pump.
Aryan, I'm dropping 2 minis.
Flashes.
Wait, but let me mini up.
Aryan.
There's a big pot there, don't
No,
stop.
Hey, yeah,
I'm taking the
big
big pot. Don't waste it. Hey, are you dumb? Shaze is dumb.
For me, my ping
I
is
needed
so
it.
high. Let me get my first.
Oh, yo, Pratim, did you take the gauntlets? I dropped the gauntlets for you.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's a
I
guy on
have
top.
it.
Wait, let him
I have it.
I cracked him 105. Cracked 105.
Knocked him.
Nice.
I also did damage. I'm just
I
saying.
need some ammo.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, dude, his teammate is here.
Where?
Yeah, his teammate is down. Come here, guys.
He's here. Yeah, I'm with Aryan.
Who dropped the gun? Gone. Pratik. God damn, let me get a limb.
Big
Oh
pot
my
and
god,
some
there's a
minis.
big guy going on.
I got,
Oh, one more guy, one more guy, one
200
more.
pumped. I got 200 pumped.
Where is he? Man, Shaze is
What are you
down.
doing? This ball. Chase this ball.
Pratim, take the gold pump. Pratim's gold.
I'm raising Aryan.
Yeah, you're in the gold pump.
I killed him.
I killed him. You're dumb. You're dumb, Shaze. You're dumb.
Bro.
Shane, took out your limbs. You're still on 0.
Oh yeah, I'm zero. Why? I think this young kid.
Aryan,
I need time. Oh shit, I don't know what I'm gonna get out of here.
Come.
come up,
I'll
fun.
take storm. I'll take storm.
Come up. I have metric for Shashwat and Aryan.
Chill. We are chill. We are in the basement area.
I have 3 medkits. You all want?
Med. I don't know your medkits.
Take a big
Oh,
pot.
the freaking bell bar going there.
One bandy.
Big pot, who wants?
Oh, I almost headshot sniped the guy. Almost headshot
I'm
sniped the guy.
giving my, who wants medkit?
Where I'm coming out.
Oh, that kid got broken. That got broken.
Box, yes.
I dropped 2.
Yeah, coming.
Almost sniped the guy.
Get out. Yes, we can.
I'm using medkit for how much HP is this? 25.
I'm using my deck
Damn
for
it,
50.
how did that not hit for headshot? I'm thinking that should have hit for a headshot. Sasha, can you move this?
116 on the renegade. 116 on the renegade.
The tower is cracked.
Yeah, I'm coming. Can
I
get
sniped
in
one guy.
Can I get
The renegade, not the renegade.
Where?
The tower is cracked. Chase there.
Where, mate?
Yeah, awesome.
Ping. Okay, there.
Bro,
Chase the box.
you want me to push. You want me to push.
I want it, but I can't do it.
Now got one, LM.
Where are they? God damn it! Can you get there? Ping. Okay, there. Wait, there's the guy. I'm trying. Wait, I'll snipe him. Guys, circle. You guys, I need you to hold it.
He's there on top.
Guys, can you laser him? I need to
Oh my god, I got laser.
do not finish him, that's all.
He's white. He's already white. Running 34 white. I hit him. He's launch firing away.
Yeah, do not finish him.
Silver surfing away.
Silver surfing away. Wait, I'm going.
But make it.
Oh shit, I have 300 ping now itself. I have 500 ping. I literally froze. I have 800, 900 ping. Guys, why the hell does this ping have to come now? I have 1000 ping.
Relax.
I have 1800 ping.
Sashit, where are you?
I have 600 ping, 400 ping.
Where is it,
One
dude?
of the guys there.
Aryan, you need max.
Sashit, bandage I threw to.
Wait,
Use it.
I'm sure he's gonna peek.
Just use it, Dad. Just use
Aryan,
it.
you want a golden sniper?
How
You want a
did I
golden
not hit him?
sniper?
Dude, that guy peeked.
You want a golden sniper?
Wait. Do not finish him by mistake also.
Where are you?
Yeah, do not finish him by mistake, just telling.
22 white, 22 white.
Fine, now do not finish him. Wait, he's mine. Peek, goddammit. Chase, if you kill him, I'll hit you. Chase, you bot.
Aryan, kill him, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, fine, I'm not doing.
Right. I think he's gone, he's not there.
I got emoted.
Don't even snipe, he has a sniper. That's all.
What match you guys have?
Oh, I see him. Oh, he quit.
I have 999.
877, 999,
He dropped half of his loot. He dropped all his loot there.
Did I laser him?
Wait, I'll
Aryan.
finish him. He quit. He literally quit. Wait, can I get
Sliding.
this?
Oh, 35 white. Aryan.
I forgot.
Aryan.
He crouched. Wait, I'll hit you people if you guys.
Hey, he's friendly. Aryan,
No.
no scope him. No scope him.
Yes. First strike. Bro, I suck at this.